Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get a discount on Temu. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even Temu deals for 2026. Without further ado, let's begin. First, open the Temu app or go to the Temu website and sign into your account. If you are a new user, complete the sign-up process using your email, phone number, or social login option. Once you're inside the app or website, browse the available products and add the items you want to your cart. Before checking out, look for homepage banners and pop-up offers because Temu often shows instant coupons, welcome discounts, and limited-time deals. If you're a new customer, you may also see special first-order discounts or SPIP to win rewards that give you extra coupons. Now open your cart and review the items you selected. Proceed to checkout and check the order summary carefully. Look for the coupon section where available discount codes or automatic coupons are applied. If a coupon is available, make sure it is selected or applied before continuing. You can also check the coupons or rewards section in the app where Temu stores active discounts you can use. Temu also offers price drops and flash sales on many products, so comparing similar items can help you get a lower price. Before completing your order, double-check that any discount has been applied to the final total. Then enter your shipping and payment details and complete the purchase. After placing your order, keep checking the app for daily rewards, referral bonuses, and special discount events. You can also invite friends to Temu using a referral link, which can give both you and your friend extra coupons or credits depending on the current promotion. Over time, using the app regularly can help you unlock more deals, coupons, and personalized discounts based on your shopping activity. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even Temu deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.